Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I am art antique restorer and artist too. Today I'm busy with one of my mosaics. Is a medieval, actually 1450 dragon with a human face. The artwork is in the Hague in the museum. I'm already, as you see, busy with some tiling, mosaics, covering the artwork. It's going very slow, as something should be very close and correct to image I have. The green dragon mostly, as you see, finishing in the blue sky and some kind of mythological scene behind. And I'm busy right now with actually cutting the tiles in the size I need. Some of them I cut in half, some of them 3. Just guessing when I will need them. Sometimes they are equal, most of the time they are different length, different shape, and you have to just adjust it to make easier for yourself, because whatever you do, you are just making a preparation for your work. And just try to think actually what you need, what will help you, and no problem if we have to come back and to do it again. Different shape, just to fit in the area of the mosaic artwork. Well, out of this tiles I was lucky to find some emerald tiles as a semi-precious stone, greenish. We touched that just like this and with a little bit of water, and you see how nice and greenish it is. Exactly come in here. This means this dragon will be emerald green color, what is originally in the museum, that the color it is. Well, what I was lucky to find this material in the bigger surface, bigger like this one, you see. Then I cut that in the shape I need. It's beautiful. You see what color that is. It's a nice color. Sometimes you're lucky and you have materials you dream about. Good. What I do next, I take a brush, and with the brush I touch certain areas with the glue, hoping to apply some tiles. Well, another cutting, and it's coming here, and this one coming close to that one, but we have to cut. Right. Okay. Another one. Okay, this is going to be like this. Well, Good. Just checking. Right. Okay. And that small piece missing, we will cut a nice strip. It is very narrow here. And we will try to fit it here. Good. It's working. A bit more. Not enough. Good. Yeah. Small cut in time will help you a lot in the process. Right. Another one here. Good. I'm happy with the progress I'm making. When I will do much more with this, as you see, is going slowly, like any mosaic setting. I will make another video and I will let you know my progress. Thank you very much for following me. I'm Branko Stipanovic, art antique restorer and artist. I wish you all the best in your projects. Enjoy that.